How to download Pinterest video in gallery, quick and easy. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to download Pinterest video to your gallery. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is you will open up pinterest.com on your laptop, or you can also open it up on your mobile phone. Once you open up Pinterest, then what you guys need to do is you will select the video you want to download. For example, I will select this video. So we have this video right here that I want to download. So what I want you guys to do is first you're going to go to your Google and search for pinterestdownloader.com. It's a platform that allows you to download Pinterest videos. So even if you are on your mobile phone, you can just click on the three dots, click on copy link, and then you will paste it right here. If you are on your laptop or PC, then we can just get the link by right click, or we can click on these three dots, or we can click on the share option, click on copy link. The link has been copied. Paste it right here. Click on download. It will start downloading your video, and your video will be saved in your computer folder or in your mobile gallery. This is how you can download as many videos as you want from Pinterest. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.